Prime Minister Narendra Modi will unveil the logo, theme and website of India's G20 presidency through video conferencing this evening. The Union government has granted 265 diplomat of National Board postgraduate medical seats to several government hospitals in Jammu and Kashmir across 20 districts with the active contribution of the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences. India is participating in the 26th International Malabar Naval Exercise beginning today in Yokosuka of Japan. Secretary General of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres, has called for a climate solidarity pact in which developed and emerging economies unite around a common strategy and combine resources to address the climate crisis. Guru Nanak Jayanti or Gurpurab is being celebrated with religious fervor across India and the world today.